What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pitch new clients automatically using Claude without writing a single word. So let's get started. To pitch new clients automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for helping us pitch the new clients without writing a single word. To create a skill, I'm going to click on Customize right here, then click on Skills. Here I'm going to click on the plus icon right here, and here I'll choose to create the skill using Claude. Here I'm going to hit Enter. Then we're going to describe the skill that we would like Claude to create for us. So here we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that generates complete client pitch packages from a spreadsheet containing prospects' names, company names, websites, industries, and any additional information provided. Then research each prospect and their target business to understand what they do, how they position themselves, their services, target market, strengths, potential challenges, and opportunities for growth. And using the research, generate a highly personalized pitch email for each prospect. Then create a 6-slide deck, pitch deck outline, including key talking points, opportunities identified, recommended solution, expected outcomes, implementation approach, and next steps. And finally, generate a 3-step follow-up sequence designed to re-engage prospects who do not respond to the initial pitch. Output all the results into a Google Sheet, where each row represents a prospect and each column contains the generated deliverables, including columns for pitch name, company name, website, industry, additional information, personalized pitch email, pitch deck outline, and the follow-up emails. And populate the Google Sheet with all the generated outputs and provide the shareable link for review, editing, collaboration, and delivery. So here I'm going to hit Enter. Give Claude a few seconds for you to create a skill for us. Here, you can see it successfully created our skill for us. Right here. This is incredible. So our skill is built, zipped, and ready to install. See here, so here's what it does. Reads prospects from the spreadsheet, researches each prospect, then writes personalized pitch emails, slide deck outline, and 3 separate follow-up emails to respond to the pitch if the prospects haven't responded yet to our pitch email. So now, to install the skill, I'm going to download it first right here. After downloading the zip file, we're going to install it. To install the zip file, I'm going to go back to skills, click on the plus icon right here. Here I'm going to click on upload the skill. Here we're going to upload the skill as a zip file. We're going to upload our zip file. And here you can see our skill was uploaded successfully. You can choose to go through the skill line by line to ensure that the skill does exactly what you'd like it to do. Here, if it does exactly what here. Now, if you go through the skill and you find that you need to include some information to the skill or remove some information from the skill, you can choose to edit the skill. To edit the skill, just click on the 3 dots right here. Choose to edit the skill using Claude. Here you can go ahead and describe to Claude what you'd like it to include or exclude from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we're going to start generating our prospects outreach package using our skill. So I'll search for our skill right here. So, and tell Claude, use this skill to analyze the only leads in the real estate prospect spreadsheet and generate a complete client pitch package for every prospect. So in Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to real estate prospects. Here's where we're going to add our prospects. So we're choosing real estate as a niche, and we're going to generate pitch packages for leads, the real estate niche. So here we're adding the prospect's name, company name, their website, industry, and any additional information for the leads. And so we're telling Claude to grab this spreadsheet with the list of leads to generate a complete pitch package for every prospect. Research each company using the information available in the spreadsheet, and create personalized pitch emails, generate a 6-slide pitch deck outline, and write 3-step follow-up sequences. You can choose to add any additional data that you'd like Claude to include about the prospects. Then output all results into a Google Sheet where each prospect occupies a single row, and all deliverables are organized into a separate column, including columns for the name, company name, website, industry, additional information, personalized page email, page deck outline, and the follow-up emails. Then populate the data into a Google Sheet and provide a shareable link for review. Here I'm going to hit enter. Give Claude a few seconds for you to generate our complete pitch package for each of our prospects. Let's give it a second for you to do that. Here you can see it successfully generated our pitch package or tool is that we added to a spreadsheet right here. As you can see over here, here are the highlights. So now to preview the pitch packages, we're going to open this link. When you open our spreadsheet, here you can see the prospect name, their company name, their website, industry, additional information. And here now you can see the pitch packages that it generated for us over here. So it just generated personalized pitch emails to this lead and this one for the other lead. And here you can see the pitch deck outline with the slide outline with the slides right here, total of 6 slides for each prospect. And here you can see the follow-up emails. The first follow-up email that we're going to send after 3 days. Here's the second follow-up email that we're going to send after a week. And this is the third email that we're going to send after 2 weeks. You can see the other follow-up email for Aaron, the second follow-up email, and here's the third follow-up email. This is really incredible. Now you can choose to include more items that you like Claude to generate. I'm choosing to generate the pitch email, pitch deck outline, and the follow-up emails. You can add additional data. We successfully generated these pitch packages automatically using this scale that we created here in Claude. This is really impressive. So let us try with another list of prospects. In our spreadsheet, I've gone ahead and updated the spreadsheet with 3 more leads right here. We would like to generate the pitch packages using our scale. In Claude, to do that, here I'm going to reuse our prompts. And I'm going to paste it right here, show that we're using the scale. And we're going to tell it to analyze the leads on the spreadsheet and generate a complete client pitch package for every prospect. And I'll show the link to review the packages. Here I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a few seconds for it to generate our pitch packages for us. You can see it successfully generated our pitch package for our 3 prospects. We added to this spreadsheet right here. Here's the highlights. To preview the pitch packages, I'm going to open this link right here. Here you can see our pitch packages for our 3 prospects. Here are the names, company name, their website, industry, using the additional information. And here you can see the personalized pitch emails that we successfully generated for 3 leads right here. Here's a page deck outline with the slides for 3 leads right here. And now here you can preview the follow-up emails for our prospects. So here's the first follow-up email. Here's the second follow-up email. Here's the third follow-up email. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these pitch packages for our 3 prospects that we added right here using this scale that we created right here in Claude. You can try generating a couple of more pitch decks for a different list of leads. I've gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet with 5 new leads right here. Remember, you can go as high as you want. You can generate hundreds and hundreds of pitch packages for hundreds of leads. I'm just using these limited numbers as an example. So let us try generating 5 pitch packages for these 5 prospects using our scale right here. So I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to generate the pitch. So here you can see successfully generated our pitch packages for 5 prospects that we added right here. This is incredible. Now here you can see the highlights here. Now to preview the pitch packages, I'm going to open this link here. When we open our spreadsheet, here you can see our pitch packages for 5 leads right here. You can see the prospect's name, company name, their website, industry, additional information. Now you can see the personalized pitch emails that we generated for each prospect here. Very personalized emails. Love it. Here you can see the pitch deck outlines for each prospect here. Then you can see the follow-up email, the first follow-up email that we're going to send over leads. Here's the second follow-up email we're going to send a week later for each of our leads. And here's the third follow-up email that we're going to send for 2 weeks. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these page packages for 5 prospects that we added right here using the skill that we created right here in Claude. We successfully generated. So this is how you can generate page packages and page your prospects automatically without writing a single word using Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.